Hello and welcome. In this video I want to show you how you can sidechain in FL Studio using the Fruity limiter. So I made this small project and we have a kick drum and we also have some hi-hats and claps. Pretty basic drums. Now let's listen to our bass. Nice. Let's do the sidechaining. Go back to your kick sample. And what I like to do is just clone it. Now we have the same sample and I will rename it into sidechain kick. Now we will put it on a different mixer track. I like to have it on the number 1 and we can also give it a different color. Now the important part is that you make sure it's not going into the master, and we will use our sidechain pattern, so you can just make a new pattern. I already have a pattern and we will add our drum groove. So in this case it's just 4 to the floor, but you can add any groove you want, and this is where the sidechain will happen. Now let's listen to this, and as you can hear, because it's not in the master, you can't hear our sidechain kick. What I like to do is make the sidechain kick a little bit shorter than our usual kick that we have here. And now we can go to our bass and apply our bass to a mixer channel. Now all we need to do is we have our sidechain kick, right click right here and press a sidechain to this track. As you can see, it goes in here, but it's turned all the way down, so still we can't hear our sidechain track. Now let's listen to the sidechain kick with our bass and apply a Fruity limiter on our mixer channel where the bass is. Just like this. Now usually with the default preset, the limiter will look like this. I can even make it a little bit bigger. And what you will need to do is go to Comp, go to Sidechain, and select your sidechain. Pull the threshold down around here and the ratio all the way up. Now go to song mode and listen to it. And now you can see every time our sidechain kick hits, the bass gets ducked away. Now you can start playing with the threshold and also the ratio. And you will immediately hear the difference. And you can also start playing with the release if you want a really tight and short sidechain, or turn it all the way up and you have a really long sidechain. Now you can also save this preset, for example as sidechain. Next time you want to sidechain a different instrument, for example, let's try out the synth. Pretty aggressive synth. Let's apply that to a mixer. Go to your sidechain kick, sidechain to this track, open your limiter and just select the preset that we made. And there we go. Now we have sidechain compression. Let's see how does it sound if we add our drums on top. As you can hear, it makes a huge difference. And what you can also do is, for example, remove the kick at the end of 8 bars, but you still have your sidechain kick. And even though there is no kick, you still have the nice pumping effect. I hope you learned something. Make sure to subscribe and see ya.